Every powerful product begins from something simple.
This soil holds the beginning of a journey. A single seed, full of unseen potential. Placed with care and patience.
Then nature takes control. Every drop feeds life. Growth begins quietly, unseen. Soon, one becomes many. Protected, monitored, sustained.
These are not just crops. These are premium cashews. Pure, natural cashews, full of energy.
Sardari cashews grow with time, strength, and patience.
Only perfectly ripe cashews are selected.
The harvesting of Sardari cashews begins.
Every cashew matters.
Only high-quality cashews move forward.
Raw Sardari cashews, ready for processing. From farm, these cashews begin their journey. Carrying natural cashew toward transformation. From the soil, Sardari cashews begin their journey driven, pure, natural, and full of potential. Tradition meets progress as Sardari scales its cashew harvest for the world. Every cashew is carefully handled before entering the next stage.
Tracked, sorted, and quality checked. Sardari ensures perfection at every step.
Now, these cashews are ready to transform into something extraordinary. Welcome to Sardari's luxury cashew processing facility, where raw cashews are transformed with precision and care.
Each cashew is cleaned, processed, and prepared to meet the highest standards.
Only the finest Sardari cashew kernels are selected.
To become luxury energy bars, crafted for strength, taste, and performance.
Finest Sardari cashews, gently transformed into rich, natural paste. Pure cashew richness, the base of real energy.
Premium ingredients, blended for taste and performance. Balanced nutrition, crafted into one powerful bar. Engineered for consistency, every bar perfectly formed. Precision cutting defines Sardari quality. A smooth finish for a premium experience. Cooled to perfection, locking in taste and texture. Simple, clean, powerful.
ready to fuel real performance. From factory to premium quality. This is not just a bar. This is premium energy.
Made with cashews, oats, and natural ingredients.
Full of taste, full of energy. Eat before or after your workout. Stay strong.
Made with real cashews, designed for real people.
Blue. Not just for athletes, but for every active lifestyle.
Fuel your body the right way.
Sardari Cashew Energy Bar. Pure energy. Real strength